Are you ready to transform your keto meals into a flavorful sensation? This Keto Baked Feta Pasta with Palmini Noodles is a low-carb twist on the viral sensation that everyone loves. With creamy feta, zesty cherry tomatoes, and tender Palmini noodles, this dish is packed with flavor and simplicity. Perfect for a quick dinner or impressing guests, this recipe serves 4 and guarantees smiles all around. The magic begins with the ingredients. You'll need the following: 2 cans of Palmini noodles, 14 ounces each, 1 block of feta cheese, 8 ounces, 2 cups cherry tomatoes, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, ½ teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil leaves for garnish. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and prepare a baking dish. Add the cherry tomatoes, drizzle them with olive oil, and sprinkle with oregano, salt, and pepper. Nestle the block of feta cheese in the center and bake for 25 minutes until the tomatoes burst and the cheese softens beautifully. While the feta and tomatoes bake, drain and rinse the Palmini noodles thoroughly to remove any briny taste. For an even softer texture, boil them for a couple of minutes. This step ensures they soak up the creamy sauce like traditional pasta. Once the baking dish is out of the oven, mash the feta and tomatoes together into a creamy sauce using a fork. Toss in the Palmini noodles and mix until every strand is coated with the luscious sauce. Add a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a spicy kick and garnish with fresh basil leaves for a touch of color and aroma. This dish pairs perfectly with a crisp side salad or grilled chicken for extra protein. It's proof that keto cooking doesn't have to be boring or overly complicated. The rich, tangy flavors will have everyone reaching for seconds, all while staying true to your low-carb lifestyle. What are you waiting for? Whip up this keto-friendly masterpiece and let us know how you've made it your own. Did you add extra spices or a unique protein? Share your delicious twist in the comments below.